guys, hi, what's up? My name is Rukma. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my West Side haul with you guys. I had been to West Side recently and I picked up a few things. I have some clothing items, I have some footwear, I have some nail paints and some home related items as well. I don't have too many things, but I have pretty good things to share with you all. West Side is having their sale. They usually have their sale during the month of August. So 1st August इनका sale जो है वो start हो गया है. And I thought of sitting down and sharing all of these items that I purchased because काफी अच्छा sale चल रहा है West Side में and काफी ज्यादा भीड़ भी होने लगी है. So I thought कि ये perfect time होगा आप लोग के लिए West Side haul share करने के लिए. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Alright, so first up I have a quad set with me. Now this is something that you can pull off as a airport look as well. But मैंने ये pick किया था West Side के night wear section में. Now उनका जो night wear वाला section है ना, जहाँ पे night suits वगैरह मिलते हैं, बहुत ही comfortable t-shirts, shorts and pajamas मिलते हैं. I mean their lounge wear is really good and comfortable. The only downside is that usually उनके night wear में कोई offer नहीं रहता है because I think it's of great quality and they know कि even अगर वो discount नहीं रखेंगे, उनका जो lounge wear है वो फिर भी बिकेगा. So I picked up this quad set. It's in this beautiful like ribbed pattern and है ये एकदम soft cotton का. So this is basically the t-shirt. Okay, that's the t-shirt basically. You have like a very thin collar kind of a thingy going on and then you have these buttons. बहुत soft fabric है, बहुत ही comfortable है. And then you have these pajamas. Okay, you have these pajamas. So it's basically like, of course it's a lounge wear if you're going in for a staycation or something and you have to go down and have your breakfast. It's a 5-star property, it's a nice property and आपको अच्छा lounge wear पहन के जाना है breakfast के लिए, it's a very good option. Or you want something very comfortable for your road trip or like an airport look, then also you can pick up something like this. Now of course their night wear is usually a little expensive and also like I said without any offer. So I guess ये जो trouser था, this was definitely for $13.99 and the top was for ₹599. So the total comes to ₹2,000 for this set. But trust me, अगर आप West Side जा रहे हो with or without sale, आपको उनके नाइट वेयर सेक्शन से ना एक दो चीजें डेफिनेटली उठानी चाहिए. Alright, next up मैंने West Side से एक ड्रेस लिया है. I have got a one piece from them. इसका MRP है ₹1899 but I picked it up for $999. So I got like 1,000 rupees off, which is really nice. Guys, I don't know what fabric this is, but this is super comfortable. My only concern is कि मैं ये मुंबई में 12 महीने पहन पाऊंगी कि नहीं, because मुझे थोड़ा सा इसका फैब्रिक थोड़ा सा मोटा लग रहा है. So this is what the dress looks like. Basically it's a very cute knee length dress. It's absolutely like mono color. इसमें कोई भी डिजाइनिंग है ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Proper एक turtle neck वाला vibe देगा आपको. This is what its neck area is and the sleeves are also like pretty short sleeves. I love this beautiful camel color. I don't own too many clothes in this color and मुझे काफी पसंद आया है उनका जो ये color था ड्रेस का. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. I think they have pockets here. I need to check if these are show pockets. Yeah, they are show pockets. But बहुत ही मजा आ जाता यार अगर actual pockets उन्होंने दिया होता इस ड्रेस में. कोई नहीं, we can work with that. But I have to tell you that because this is for $999 now and without the offer this is for $1,900. I think you guys should definitely pick this up. अगर आपके घर के पास वाले वेस्ट साइड में ये वाला ड्रेस अवेलेबल है ना, आपको डेफिनेटली पिकअप करना चाहिए. मैंने ये वेस्ट साइड के ट्रायल रूम में ट्राई भी किया था एंड वो वीडियो मैं यहाँ पे प्लेस कर रही हूँ अभी. सो आप लोग चेक कर सकते हो कि ये ड्रेस कितना अमेजिंग लग रहा था. मुझे तो पहले नजर में इस ड्रेस से प्यार हो गया था. आई न्यू इवन बिफोर ट्राइंग दिस ऑन दैट आई एम definitely gonna be purchasing it because this feels so soft and it's super comfortable and it's like a no-brainer dress. कहीं बाहर जाना है and आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कौन सा टॉप लूं, कौन सा जीन्स लूं, कौन सा पैंट लूं, वो सब कुछ आप भूल जाओ. बस ये वाला ड्रेस पहन लो, एक स्नीकर पहन लो. इसको आप हील के साथ भी पहन सकते हो, स्नीकर्स के साथ भी पहन सकते हो, फ्लैट्स के साथ पहन सकते हो. There are multiple ways in which you can style this. Wear a nice pair of sunglasses, take a nice crossbody bag and I think you're gonna look amazing. And the last clothing piece that I have for today's haul is actually a top. This is also something that I picked up from the lounge wear section but luckily मुझे इस पे थोड़ा सा डिस्काउंट मिल गया था. This is for ₹599 but I got it for ₹299. So ₹300 off, which is not bad at all. This is also the softest cotton available. Okay, the softest cotton possible. So I basically did not लाइक लुक आउट फॉर अ लाउंज वेयर टॉप, बिकॉज मेरे पास काफी अच्छे अच्छे टॉप्स है सॉफ्ट मटेरियल के जो मैं घर पे पहन के सो जाती हूँ, लेकिन मुझे ये वाला स्पेसिफिकली अच्छा लगा बिकॉज फाइनली मुझे उनके लाउंज वेयर सेक्शन में कुछ तो ऑफ मिला, एंड सेकेंडली बिकॉज ऑफ द कलर। मेरे पास ना एग्जैक्टली ये लाइलैक एंड लाइट लैवेंडर कलर का उतना कुछ है नहीं। सो एक वी नेक टॉप है, वेरी वेरी सॉफ्ट मटेरियल। इसको बाहर तो नहीं पहना जा सकता, बाहर के लिए आई डोंट थिंक दिस इज गोइंग टू बी दैट अप्रोप्रिएट, बट डेफिनेटली इसको पहन के ना रात में सोने में बहुत मजा आने वाला है बिकॉज सुपर कंफर्टेबल ऑन द स्किन, वेरी वेरी सॉफ्ट, वेरी वेरी गुड क्वालिटी। तो अगर आप लोगों को ना लाउंज वेयर सेक्शन में उनके टी शर्ट्स, उनके टॉप्स में कुछ ऑफ मिल जाता है, डेफिनेटली पिक अप अ फ्यू ऑफ देम बिकॉज बहुत ही ज्यादा कोजी एंड कंफर्टेबल होते हैं। ऑलराइट, नेक्स्ट अप आई एंड विवेक, बोथ ऑफ अस गॉट आवरसेल्व्स bathing towels. So I got myself this towel. This is in this very very light I don't know what color to call this. It's almost like a light pink sort of a shade. I don't know ये shade को exactly मैं क्या बोलूंगी। बहुत ही soft towel है ये, बहुत ही fast absorbing भी है, which is why I completely love this one. And another very good feature about this is that you have sort of like a hole in here, so you can hang it very easily. So very very nice. And the same towel in a dark grey color is what Vivek got for himself. These are very very furry, very very soft and comfortable to use, and very good quality towels. इसके पहले आई थिंक हम लोग ना शॉपर्स स्टॉप का एक ब्रांड का कुछ तो टावल यूज कर रहे थे, वो भी बहुत अच्छा था, बट यू नो कि टावल्स आफ्टर अ फ्यू यूजेस बिकम अ लिटिल लाइक रफ एंड वो ना स्ट्रिंग्स निकलने लगते हैं, धागे निकलने लगते हैं बेसिकली। सो वो स्टेज पे आ गए थे हमारे टावल्स, इसलिए हमने ये 2 टावल्स ले लिए थे। नाउ मुझे पता नहीं है डिस्काउंट पे कितने का मिल रहा था, बट वी गॉट दीज फॉर रुपीज ईदर 700 और 800 ईच, विच इज नॉट अ बैड डील एट ऑल बिकॉज दीज आर लाइक गुड इन्वेस्टमेंट्स, यू नो। सो आई थिंक सेल पे आपको और भी कम में मिल जाएगा, एटलीस्ट 500-600 का तो मिलना ही चाहिए। सो यू कैन ऑल्सो चेक आउट दैट बेथिंग टॉवल। वेस्ट साइड होम सेक्शन से मुझे ना उनका रीड डिफ्यूजर लेना था, जो कि वॉशरूम में रखने के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा होता है। मैंने पहले भी आपको किसी वेस्ट साइड हॉल में या मिक्स्ड हॉल में वो दिखाया था, बट वो इस बार अवेलेबल नहीं था, सोल्ड आउट हो गया था, क्या है पता नहीं, बट मुझे मिला नहीं। सो व्हाट वी पिक्ड अप instead is this jar. This is a coffee jar, and आज ही हमने इसमें ना कॉफी डाला है, 3 पैकेट कॉफी डाला है, which is like 150 grams डाला है, and अभी भी स्पेस है। So this can hold I think at least 250 grams of coffee if I'm not wrong. It's a very very good quality coffee jar. We got this for rupees 399, which I think is a very very good price because West Side Home की चीजें usually थोड़े से expensive होते हैं, not very expensive but थोड़े से expensive हो ही जाते हैं। मतलब compared to Home Center, I feel West Side Home is a little more expensive. I might be wrong of course, but that's my observation. But coming to this jar, I think it's a really really good deal for rupees 399, and it's a airtight jar. Okay, so इसको open करने का तरीका थोड़ा सा quirky and unique है। आपको basically ये ऐसे lift करना होता है and then ये अलग करना होता है, and there you have your jar with yummy yummy coffee in it. We are both coffee people, okay? We are addicted to coffee basically. And then again you just shut this part and pull this part, तो ये पूरा अच्छे से एयर टाइट होके बंद हो जाता है। I think for 399 it's a good deal. I didn't find too many offers in the West Side Home section. थोड़े थोड़े इधर उधर थे, लेकिन उतने ज्यादा कुछ अच्छे डील्स मुझे नहीं मिले। Alright, we'll come straight to the footwear that I purchased from West Side. So I got myself 2 pairs. I think West Side has some amazing footwears. Now their flats are usually for $12.99, $11.99, $13.99, but अभी सेल में they are selling it for $6.99, which I think is really great. If you ask me personally, I think you should go to West Side footwear section and buy yourself footwear rather than going to Zudio footwear section, because Zudio का जो footwear section है ना, it looks very attractive, it looks awesomely cheap and reasonable, but coming to the quality, I don't think the quality is as good as West. So this is the pair of flats that I got for myself. Now look at how versatile these flats are. Recently I wore them with jeans, I wear them with like dresses, I can wear them with ethnic wear. These are very very versatile, and these are from the brand Luna Blue. I have them in the size 36, and these are really really gorgeous. I really like them. Recently you know, I met mom at Delhi. We were at Delhi and my parents were also in Delhi, and my mom really loved this pair. So बहुत ही सुंदर pair है, you guys should definitely check this out because this is now during the sale only for rupees 699. I unfortunately bought this before the sale, तो मुझे 12.99 का मिला था, लेकिन you guys should definitely check this out during the sale. And let me show you the second pair. So the second pair that I have, no, this was not on offer. I bought it for its MRP because मुझे बहुत comfortable लगा था. These are really comfortable. These are not really flats. इनमें थोड़ा सा हल्का सा 1.5 इंच का हील है. This is what the pair looks like. Now these are these nude heels. Okay, you can see the heels. They are very very little. I don't wear बहुत ऐसे लंबे लंबे heels मैं पहनती नहीं हूँ usually. So you know 1.5 इंच का ही heel है. And this is what it looks like. एकदम ऐसे beige and nudish shade में है. I have them in the size 37. So the flats I picked up in 36 and this I picked up in 37. So basically for different footwears your size just might vary a little here and there. These were for rupees 12.99. Like I said, no offer in these, but these were so comfortable. I just couldn't resist myself. These are typically those shoes, no, which will look good on your feet and are equally comfortable. I basically purchased them to, you know, sort of wear during Durga Puja. Durga Puja is right around the corner. I'm a Bengali girl. I'm super excited for Durga Puja every year, all my life. So अभी दुर्गा पूजा में you know हम लोग जो पंडाल हॉपिंग करते हैं ना, बहुत ज्यादा वॉक करना पड़ता है because obviously कार पार्किंग का उतना जगह रहता नहीं है. So तभी अगर हम लोग ऐसे फैशन में ऐसे हील्स पहन के निकल जाते तो obviously they look very good on your feet but they are super super uncomfortable. So पैंडल हॉपिंग के लिए I think this is going to be great and of course मैं इसको ना ऑफिस वेयर में like I can also wear this to my workplace. These are super super comfortable. All right, I have a few items left. So I basically picked up 3 nail paints from them. These are the 3 nail paints that I picked up. Okay, I'm already wearing one of them actually. I don't think इन पे कुछ ऑफर था. These are for rupees 99. नहीं, प्रॉब्ली ऑफर था, मुझे अभी याद नहीं आ रहा है, बट प्रॉब्ली 49 या 59 का ये लोग बेच रहे थे. सो काफी अच्छा डील है, मतलब 50% ऑफ ऑलमोस्ट. So the first color that I picked up is this beautiful hot pink color, which I think is gonna be amazing for Durga Puja, Diwali, wedding season, festive season. I'm super super excited. मुझे तो अभी मन कर रहा है मैं अभी nail paint change करके ये वाला पहन लूं. So this one is in the shade. I'm also gonna be telling you the shades if that is helpful. This is in the shade matte DP03. Okay, that is the shade number if I am not wrong. This is the first shade, the hot pink one. Then I have this electric blue shade which I am wearing right now. Look at that. Oh my god, my nails look so good because of this nail paint. बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. In my workplace I have a very very close friend and she complimented my nails that day and she was like, कहाँ से लिया है तूने ये beautiful सा electric blue color? And I was like, मैंने वेस्ट साइड से ले लिया. This is in the shade Shine Crystal BL005. Okay, this is what the shade looks like. Really really nice and बहुत ही अच्छा है. वेस्ट साइड में हर चीज का क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छा होता है. आई एम गोना से दिस कि वेस्ट साइड के नेल पेंट्स ज़ूडियो नेल पेंट से तो अच्छे ही होंगे. सो डेफिनेटली चेक आउट द नेल पेंट सेक्शन एज वेल. आई एम श्योर दे आर रनिंग अ वेरी गुड डील ऑन दैट एज वेल. एंड द थर्ड शेड इज दिस ब्यूटिफुल कॉपर कलर. आई डोंट ओन एनीथिंग लाइक दिस. आई एम अ नेल पेंट होल्डर. आई हैव अ ह्यूज नेल पेंट कलेक्शन. मैंने ना काफी सालों पहले एक नेल पेंट कलेक्शन वीडियो भी अपलोड किया था. आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू ऑल वुड लाइक टू सी दैट, बट इफ यू आर इंटरेस्टेड आई एम गोना मेक श्योर टू लिंक दैट वीडियो इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. तो अगर आप लोग को मन हो ये वीडियो पूरा देखने के बाद वो वीडियो भी आप लोग चेकआउट कर सकते हो. सो या कमिंग बैक, दिस इज दिस ब्यूटिफुल कॉपर शेड विच आई पिक्ड अप. नाउ कमिंग टू द नेम, दिस इज शाइन AWNB21. तो ये शेड नेम्स आप लोग नोट कर सकते हो, वहां पे जाके आप लोग चेकआउट कर सकते हो. आई गॉट दीज 3 नेल पेंट्स फॉर माई सेल्फ एंड आई ऑल्सो पिक्ड अप अ नेल पॉलिश रिमूवर फ्रॉम वेस्ट साइड. देयर रेगुलर वन, दे हैव सम फ्लेवर्ड ones as well. I think one had aloe vera or something. This comes with vitamin E. This is acetone free basically. This one was for 95 rupees. I don't think इसपे कुछ सेल था. I basically use the twist and remove nail paint removers which are available from Swiss Beauty, Masaba, a lot of different brands. Those are only helpful for my like हैंड के नेल्स. फॉर माई टो नेल्स ऑब्वियसली वो किसी काम का है नहीं, तो मुझे ये वाला लेना ही पड़ा. And now that I have this, I'm gonna change my toes का nail paint because काफी जरूरत है, definitely. Alright guys, the last thing which I picked up is a perfume. Now I really like their perfume collection. You guys should definitely check out Oriental. I had spoken to you guys about Oriental in one of my recent videos. I love that fragrance from Westside. मैंने नहीं लिया because मेरे पास अभी काफी सारे नए fragrances पड़े हुए हैं. Once I finish them up, I'm gonna go back and buy Oriental again. So Oriental I think is for $13.99 or something, and they are selling it for $5.99 during the sale, which I think is great. It has a beautiful floral and a fresh smell का combination, so do check that out. Besides Oriental, small size में, travel size में अगर आप लोग कुछ ढूंढ रहे हो, definitely go for Maldives, which looks like this. This is a fresh packaging and this is something which I have used and I have emptied out. This is completely empty. अभी निकल गया थोड़ा, shit. कोई नहीं, थोड़ा लगा लेते हैं इसको. जो भी 4-5 spits थे, let's just finish that in this video. This is so good, you guys. This literally reminds me of Goa because I remember when we were at Goa last year on Vivek's birthday. I was spraying this again and again. I also wore it during our Kerala trip and during our Mussoorie trip. So basically 2023 में जो भी हमारे travel trips थे, this literally reminds me of that. I love how perfumes remind you of a person or of a place or of an experience, because you can actually correlate the smell with those kinds of things, which is really really nice. So Maldives I think is one of their best in their travel size perfumes. ये of course नया packaging है, because like I said ये खत्म हो गया है. This one costed me rupees 195 का है ये. I think सेल में भी 195 का ही था, इस पर I don't think कुछ ऑफ था, बट ये ऑलरेडी इतना inexpensive है यार, so you guys can definitely pick this up. This is a 25 ml bottle, very easy to carry with you anywhere. Just throw it in your purse and you're good to go. Alright, so with that we have reached the end of the Westside haul. I really hope you enjoyed watching today's haul. If you did, like the video, share this with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon with another interesting and exciting video. Till then, take care of yourselves. Loads and loads of love from my side. Bye bye.